you people sitting at home watching on a computer, console, or mobile device. I am Peter31, and today I'm doing an unboxing real quick because I have it. So this is something that will be, and it will be a new series. I hope this is the right box at least. Yeah. Get my knife. Let's see what. Get it open. All right. Okay, this is not one to open. You know, I don't need to. Put that knife away. And I see Link. Oh, they're all in one bag. Yes, Link, Zelda, and Tingle. I don't know if they're all official. Doesn't look like they are. Oh well. What did that one say? Keep away from small children. Yeah, whatever. Shut up. Open that. Alright. Oh wow, Zelda went flying. Alright. Alright, here's Zelda. For some reason she has green hair and not blonde. That's okay, she's... Who is it made by? I don't think she's official. Oh, whoa, wait, move. That's cool. But I don't think she's official. She's got a... Ah, stop falling. It's hard to get... There's a Legend of Zelda tag. I don't think she's official though, so... Oh well, that's fine. I could still use her. But yeah. It's cool. Alright, next is Link. His sword is down, but oh well. I can fix that. Wow, look at that. That's cool. Yeah. Right, sorry. He has the same tag that Zelda has. I think, at least. Yeah. And that is the sound of my dog. Sorry. Yeah, he's pretty cool. And he's got his eye there. Alright, and finally Tingle. He looks really weird. He's got his ears all weird. What the heck is with his hands? His hands are so small. This is just ironed on though. I think. He's got really, really small hands. Oh, focus. 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 There we go. Yeah, he's got circle cheeks. So we want to put this here. There. And there they all are. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. If you want me to do more unboxing when I get new plushies, tell me. So yeah. Bye.